From the beginning of nothingness, I breathe life into the world. The mountains that touch the skies, the stars, the moon that watches over your nights, the seas that stretch endlessly, and the sun that warms your days. I am the beginning of all, yet I am never the end. I am bound by the harmony of creation, for in my wisdom I know that power without purpose is chaos, and life without balance is destruction. I am Bakhala, the creator, the keeper of life, the master of the heavens, and the protector of the earth you walk upon. Now, you are about to hear the stories of my children, their strengths, their struggles, and their lessons. Remember this, the essence of the God lives within you, in your spirit, in your character, in your dreams. Welcome, mortals. Let us journey through the tapestry of Philippine mythology. Learn, celebrate, and honor the legacy of those who came before. The earth grows fast, teeming with life, but even the greatest creator cannot oversee all. The winds whisper the need of their master. The seas roar their guardian, and the fields cry out of a nurturer. Balance is fragile, and to preserve it, I must divide my power. The time has come. It's time. I, Bathala, the keeper, and the one that shaped the world from the very fabric of the heavens and the earth, must now step aside. I shall no longer hold dominion over this realm. It's time to find a worthy successor. I must create guardians of the realms. It's time to create the ones who will rule my children, my gods, and the goddesses. Each will have their place in the world. Each will guide humanity. They will guide the heavens and all the elements. They are here. Behold, live!
Is alive. You are alive. Naru, you're beautiful. All of you are beautiful.
I'm shining like a sun.
My turtle is moving. Can you see?
Silence, gods and goddesses! Today marks a momentous occasion in the heavenly realm. I, Bathala, Supreme God and the Keeper of Balance, have decided that it is time to choose the next leader who will guide us and will inspire us all. To determine the worthiest among you, I have devised a grand competition, a pageant like no other. Through this, we will test your grace, talents, and wisdom. The winner shall stand by my side and will be the leader of this divine realm. From this competition, only one will be the most deserving and will shall ascend to the throne. Mortals, bear witness to the trials of my children. Watch as they strive to embody the virtues that sustain this world. From this competition shall rise a new leader, and with them, a new era. Welcome to the gabi ng kabuluhan at kagandahan. Tonight, we gather to celebrate the beauty, wisdom, and strength of our divine beings. This is no ordinary night. It is a pageant where gods and goddesses showcase their essence and talents. Prepare yourselves, for this is no ordinary contest. You will play 3 rounds. Introduction, prove your charisma, and tell us why you are worthy. Talent showcase, display the unique gifts you create with the divine realm, and question and answer portion. Demonstrate your wisdom and ability to lead. May the best among you rise to the occasion. Now, let the divine pageant begin.
Aki!
I am the goddess of wind and rain, with the breath of the earth and the storm in the sky. The wind, the wind, the wind brings, the wind brings the change and transformation, and the rain nurture life. I am the one who brings both challenges and blessings. I am Alidon Tago.
I am the embodiment of diligence and perseverance. The one who teaches that every accomplishment, no matter how small, is built through hard work.
I am the light that shines in the night. The balance and peace to the darkness. I am the keeper of the harmony, guiding all through times and changes that uncertain. I am Mayari, the goddess of the moon.
The morning and the evening stars, the light that guides the way through the darkness. I rise each day to lead those who wander and help them find their way. Just like the stars in the evening sky, that brings peace and hope to every each day. I am Sala, the goddess of the stars.
I represent the resilience of the spirit and the unwavering faces in the darkness. I am Halia, the goddess of the moon and the protector of the night.
I am the god of the sea. I am the keeper of the waters. I nourish and challenge all life. I am unmanicable.
goddess of abundance and fertility, Lakapal. Goddess of love, fertility, and the protector of mothers and children. I guide the heart of those who seek connection and then nurture the new lives that are born in this world. I am Dian Masalan.
Now it's time to witness your talents, for abilities define your essence.
I am the bringer of light, which every strike I protect the land and inspire the brave.
Chaos and rules are my food. Through storms, you would grow. I bring growth. I bring growth. I bring growth.
Blue perseverance, a shape not just clay, but the future of very mortals.
I light the night with elegance and formulas.
Daniel. I am the protector of those inmates. I am Mahalia, the protector.
Siya yung wala dito. Si Tala kanina.